So this is a little update on the 1973 Ford Gran Torino station wagon. The last time you saw it, it had an engine block in it, an incomplete engine in it. And now it, as you can see, it has a full, or mostly full engine in it that should run. We're working on getting the throttle linkage and gear shift linkage hooked up. That's why we haven't started it yet, or part of why. This engine is out of a Ford F-250 4x4 highboy truck, and we got it with the transmission for $100. It's also got almost new tires on it. You may remember that we had a 1991 Chevrolet S10 Blazer that got totaled. Well, these tires are off of it. It's also got 15-inch steel wheels on it, which I've been told are rare because these ones will accept dog dish hubcaps in their 15s. I also just put the headlight trim back on. Looks a lot better. I also reinstalled a few minor things like this ash or sill plate and the antenna. I took a lot of this stuff apart thinking I was going to completely tear the car apart, prime it, do body work, paint it, do all that, but I'm gonna hold off on that for quite a while, so I still got a few things to put back in here. The interior is also a lot cleaner. Vacuumed it out as thoroughly as I could. It's still gonna need new carpet because of water and rusty parts that were on the carpet, but at least it's a lot cleaner than it was. I also oiled the door hinges, springs, and rollers, so now the doors open pretty much without making any noise. I did a little bit of a wash on it. The glass is the cleanest it's ever been. And I washed the body. Our little window fix seems to be doing alright. It's keeping most of the water out, but when I was washing it earlier, there were a few leaks, so we'll be patching those up. You may also notice that all the parts that were in the car, that were in the back of the car, are over here. And the back of the car is clean, rusty but clean. It's like the third seat has never even been sat in.